What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level, interpreted programming language used to create interactive web pages, applications, and games. It is the language of the web and is used on over 90% of all websites. JavaScript can be used to create dynamic effects, such as animated graphics, interactive forms, and dynamic menus. Benefits of learning JavaScript: opens up many career opportunities, used to develop many of the applications and sites we use every day, allows you to create dynamic, interactive websites and applications. Popular JavaScript tutorial resources, online courses, video tutorials, screencasts, and visual quick start guides. Best resource will depend on your learning style, budget, and the amount of time you have to devote to learning JavaScript. Popular online JavaScript courses. Online JavaScript courses are an excellent way to learn the fundamentals of the language. Courses available range from beginner to advanced. Popular online courses include Codecademy, Treehouse, and Udemy. JavaScript video tutorials. Video tutorials are a great way to learn JavaScript, more engaging than text-based tutorials. Can be watched anytime, anywhere. Popular resources include LearnCode.academy, Frontend Masters, and Egghead.io. Best YouTube channel for JavaScript tutorial videos. YouTube is one of the most popular resources for learning JavaScript. Popular channels include LearnCode.academy, The New Boston, and Traversy Media. JavaScript tutorials from W3 Schools and Lynda.com. W3 Schools and Lynda.com offer a range of tutorials from beginner to advanced. The tutorials are well structured and easy to follow. JavaScript screencasts. Screencasts are an excellent way to learn JavaScript. Can be watched anytime, anywhere. Popular screencast resources include Egghead.io and Frontend Masters. JavaScript Visual Quick Start Guide. The JavaScript Visual Quick Start Guide is an excellent resource for learning JavaScript. Covers a range of topics, from the basics of JavaScript to more advanced topics. Includes interactive exercises and real-world examples. Conclusion: learning JavaScript can open up more career opportunities. It is a popular language used to create applications and sites we use every day. With the right resources, you can learn JavaScript quickly and easily.